Alright guys, so the legs are on, and the ones in the back, these are going to be holding up the bench itself. Let me turn these here. Come on camera, work with me. These here will be holding up the bench itself, so the next step would be to build the bench, and then we can kind of get this aligned once that's done. But the ones in the front I feel pretty good about. This is about 10 inches up from the bottom. That should give me enough room to level it where I need to go. It gives you, what, about 6 inches or so of leveling. And this thing is becoming very, very heavy. So the reason why I actually use lag bolts, or actually just through bolts for the legs, is I want to be able to dismantle it and throw it on a trailer and tow it down to where I eventually want to kind of semi-permanently keep this thing. So yeah, let's continue on. Alright guys, well there you have it. I kind of changed up the plan a little bit halfway through, I'll be honest. I didn't think that these wings on the side here were going to be strong enough after I kind of designed it and built it. So I did a couple things. I added the 45-degree cross member, which stiffened it up a lot, and then I also replaced the smaller screws, which these are just the deck screws, 2.5 inch, with some lag bolts. Look at the size of this guy. It's like, I think it's around 5 inches, 5.5 inches. So that made, 6 inches, excuse me. That made a huge difference. It really pulled that together. So I'm really happy on how that turned out. Now what's kind of cool is it is somewhat adjustable. I will admit it's not the most perfect or elegant way of making it adjustable. But the pipes can go up and down. Of course, you can add as many holes as you want for those pipes. Now what's really cool though is if you drop it all the way to the bottom where that cross member is, you can actually use it as a kneeling station. So I didn't think that was, I didn't plan for that, but it kind of worked out pretty well because I dropped it down and I was like, hey look, you can kneel and kind of lay across the top and you know, and still shoot that way. So anyways, I'm really happy on how it turned out. Stay tuned. I'll probably have a follow-up video of us actually putting this to use. It is way too heavy right now for me to actually try to move myself, so I gotta wait for some friends to come over and give me a hand. So, but all in all, I'm really happy with it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.